Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation 4 error code NW-31205-1. Network connection is unstable or too weak to reach the PSN server. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So your internet connection is too weak or unstable to reach the PlayStation network. The first thing you should do is move your PlayStation 4 closer to your wireless router if you have an unstable or weak connection. The next thing you should do is locate your wireless modem or router and unplug them for 5 minutes or more. Then come back and replug them back in and try to see if you have a connection on your PlayStation 4. Now, to view a connection on your PlayStation 4, go to the home menu, then go to settings, go down to network, then go to test internet connection. And this will show you if you're connected to the internet on your PlayStation 4 and you're able to log into the PlayStation network. It will say successful. Now, there's another problem that might be happening that you really don't have control of, is the PlayStation network could be down and that could be causing this error. So under network, go to view status of PlayStation network services. And you can see if PSN is down. And it says all services are up and running. It will notify you if something is down. Now let's go to the actual fix. Go to view connection status, and this is where you will want a smartphone or something to write down your IP address, your subnet mask, default gateway. So write those 3 down. Otherwise, just take a picture of this on your phone. We will need it into step number 2. Once we have that information, let's go ahead and back out. Then go to setup internet connection and use the internet connection that you're currently using. I'm using LAN cable. Then go down to custom. Then instead of an automatic IP address, go down to manual and type in all that information right here. So for the IP address, we don't want to enter in exactly how it is. So this is an example of an IP address. I just made this one up. At the end, it has a 0.3. You want to go ahead and increase this by 100. So add a 1 and a 0 in between that and go to R2 done. Then enter your subnet mask incorrectly. Your default gateway, enter that incorrectly also. Then go to your primary DNS and type in 8.8.8.8 R2 done. Then go to your secondary DNS and type in 8.8.4.4 R2 done. Once that's complete, go to next. Go to automatic for your MTU setting and go to do not use for proxy server. Then test your internet connection. And hopefully everything is successful and you're able to log back into the PlayStation network. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.